Hello everyone, welcome back to my shop. So here's a quick little video on Mohawk toner spray. Whoops. So this is Mohawk toner spray. The color is medium dark toner. Super great if you're staining a project and you need it to be a little bit darker, but you don't want to rub some more stain on the project. You just do a little toner. This works great. So if I would wipe stain on this piece of maple, it would come out all blotchy. Maple doesn't stain great. It just doesn't. Simple and easy. Just need to clear coat this piece and then it's ready to go.